Today we are taking a close look at the Moskvich 470, a classic Soviet-era car that still attracts attention because of its simplicity, toughness, and old-school charm. This car represents a time when vehicles were built to be practical, easy to fix, and strong enough to survive rough roads and harsh weather. Even today, seeing a Moskvich 470 on the road feels like stepping back into history. From the outside, the Moskvich 470 has a very solid and boxy design. The body lines are straight and simple, giving it a serious and hard-working appearance. The metal used in the body feels thick and heavy, which is why many of these cars survived for decades. The front end looks modest, with round headlights and a simple grille that focuses more on function than style. The bumpers are strong and made to handle small impacts without damage. Overall, the exterior may not look modern or sporty, but it clearly shows durability and honesty in design. When we move inside the Moskvich 470, the interior feels very basic but practical. Everything is designed with a purpose. The dashboard is simple, with clear dials that are easy to read. There are no fancy screens or advanced features, just essential controls that do the job. The seats are firm and designed for long-lasting use rather than luxury. Space inside is reasonable for its time, offering enough headroom and legroom for daily driving. The cabin materials are hard and simple, but they age well and are easy to maintain. Talking about performance, the Moskvich 470 is not built for speed or aggressive driving. It focuses more on reliability and steady performance. The engine is known for being tough and easy to repair, even with basic tools. Acceleration is slow by modern standards, but it feels stable and predictable. The suspension is designed to handle uneven roads, which makes it suitable for rural areas and rough conditions. Steering feels heavy but gives a good sense of control, especially at lower speeds. Fuel efficiency is acceptable for a car of this era, and maintenance costs are generally low. One of the biggest advantages of the Moskvich 470 is that spare parts are still available in some markets, and mechanics who understand old cars can work on it easily. This makes it a practical classic for collectors and enthusiasts. When it comes to pricing, the Moskvich 470 is usually affordable compared to other classic cars. Prices depend heavily on condition, originality, and location. A well-maintained or fully restored example can cost more, especially for collectors who value authenticity. Cars that need restoration are often much cheaper and can be a good project for classic car lovers. Overall, it remains a budget-friendly classic that offers historical value rather than luxury.